Hi. In this video, we will compare Affiliatable and Lasso. Both Affiliatable and Lasso are WordPress plugins designed to help you manage affiliate marketing on your website. Offers a free light version with basic features like creating product displays and cloaking affiliate links. The paid version unlocks features like broken link detection, advanced analytics, and conversion tracking. Affiliatable is a great platform for affiliate marketers looking to create tables and product boxes on their website with different element options and pre-built layouts to choose from. Plus, it's always updated with new stuff to keep things fresh. You can create high-converting product showcases that allow visitors to easily compare features and benefits, driving clicks to your affiliate links. You can save time and effort with customizable templates that ensure your product presentations are visually appealing and match your website style. Gain valuable insights into user behavior with your product presentations. See what resonates with your audience and optimize for better results. Use Affiliatable with any of the affiliate platforms, networks, and programs. Affiliatable offers a free plan forever, and paid plan starts at $9 for one website each month. Affiliatable also provides a 7-day free trial with each plan and a 7-day refund policy. On the other hand, Lasso is a WordPress plugin designed specifically for affiliate marketers. It functions as an all-in-one hub to manage and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts directly within your WordPress website. You can manage all your affiliate links on a single dashboard. No more hunting through your website to update links, save time, and ensure consistency. Transform lengthy and unattractive affiliate links into clean, professional-looking ones. This enhances the user experience and potentially increases click-through rates. Gain valuable insights by tracking which affiliate links are generating the most clicks and sales. This data helps you optimize your marketing strategy for better results. Identify broken affiliate links that might be hurting your click-through rates and potentially losing you commissions. This feature is crucial to maintaining a healthy affiliate marketing campaign. Lasso offers a 14-day free trial with each plan and starts at $24 per month. If you want to use both Affiliatable and Lasso for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.